this is the master bedroom, and she's a bit tight. We've got a queen bed and 2 bedside tables, a single wardrobe, and a little bit of room for storage. So when we renovate in this space, we're going to be trying to utilize every inch to create some storage solutions, and as well draw the eye to this beautiful big view. The master. The bed used to be here under the window because the wardrobe was here. We actually gave the study or the spare room all of that wardrobe space, which meant Mum and Dad could rotate their bed and have it looking out to the view, which I think works really, really well. From the refinery, we bought shutters for this space, and I love these shutters. We went for a mushroom colour, and from here you can see the road is like right there, and people walk this road quite a bit. So we wanted to create some privacy, and you just cannot now see into this space. And then the other thing that we did was we extended out this wall, which meant we could put a 2-meter long wardrobe. So now they have a huge amount of storage, and then practically having a mirror as well. This means you can check out what you're wearing. We went for a beautiful feature because Mum and Dad love wallpaper. So we're just making a real statement here with the colours, and then obviously the lights just tie in and hit the practical brief as well. And then we went for a gorgeous wool carpet from Godfrey Hirst, which kind of picks up all of the tones that we've got going on in the room, and wool underfoot just feels really lovely too. So the spare bedroom as well. So like I said, we stole a whole lot of storage from the other side, which meant now we actually have 2.4 length of storage this way. So Mum, she's got a lot of stuff, and now we can put it in here and then it goes away. Again, our beautiful shutters creating privacy, down to our sweet little single bed. Now Mum picked this wallpaper, was very proud of herself, from Rosine. It's like just got some beautiful energy, but like a really soft tone to it as well, and I think it adds some as well as this, our custom made desk and storage set, which we did with Caboodle. So this is the same as the bench top in the kitchen, and then we went for their Tangine colour range, and these are actually wall cabinets, which means that they're more narrow, and we could kind of utilise storage. So there's storage all the way here, storage here and above. So honestly, I can't imagine how Mum would need any more storage. It's all here.